In this video, I'm going to break down this Amazon product listing and 8 critical mistakes that this seller is making that is holding them back. I'm going to explain why they're mistakes and the changes that I would make to help this seller boost their sales and double their profits. These changes will help to skyrocket conversions, improve product rating, and more importantly, you can use these tips that I give you in this video to boost your own product success. So let's get roasting. Mistake number 1. This seller did not use a model or any lifestyle images in their product images. According to a study by Splitly, listings with lifestyle images boost conversion rates by up to 30%. This lifestyle image of a wife gifting the candle to her husband needs to be up in the product images and not buried in the A+ content. Most shoppers on Amazon are just not going to scroll down enough to see it. Moving it up to the main image will increase visibility and drive better conversions. Just a side note, I've already ran this product and all of its competitors through the VOC AI review analysis. The AI analyzed 50 ASINs with a total of 7,526 reviews in just minutes. And now we have this report. I'll be cross-referencing this report with the listing to identify crucial mistakes and how they can be avoided. Mistake number 2, this listing only has 7 images. Amazon allows you to upload 9 images, so you should definitely use all your capacity. More images gives you more opportunity to showcase your products, which increases buyer confidence and drives better conversions. If you don't use all 9, you're just missing the opportunity to maximize your listing's potential. Mistake number 3, no image of gift giving. Nearly 60% of the reason for purchase is gift giving, as shown in this report. I would include an image of a box that is beautifully wrapped with a ribbon on top to convey the message that this product comes wrapped and ready to be gifted, like this seller right here. And if this product doesn't already come with a gift wrap, it definitely should. Mistake number 4, the product has a weak or undesirable scent. Surprisingly, this product only has a 4.1 star product rating, meaning that a lot of customers are not happy with it. Based on this chart right here from the VOC AI report, the main issue for fall scented candles is that it has a weak scent. I can confirm this by going to all the 1-star reviews from this ASIN and see if it supports the problem across the niche. So this person has commented, the scents are nice when you open the lid, but when you light them, there's almost no scent in the room. Another buyer says that the scents are overwhelmingly artificial and lack the warm, cozy fragrances I associate with autumn. If this were my product, I would absolutely reach out to the supplier and ask for new formulations. I would test different product samples, even from different manufacturers, to see if I can source a candle that is stronger in scent and a scent that is more inviting and meets customer expectations. Mistake number 5, the expectation of this product versus the reality of the product for the customer is not the same. Why is this? Customers expect this candle to be a lot bigger than what it actually is, and when they receive the product, they end up being extremely disappointed. Even though the seller has specified the exact dimensions of this candle in the listing. The problem? Most people just ignore size details but still feel let down. This is why lifestyle images are so important. I would incorporate a model that is actually holding the candle in her hand, and it would give a much better perspective of the size for the customer rather than just telling them that it's 3.7 inches long. The last thing that you should expect your customers to do is to whip out a ruler to check exactly how long 3.7 inches is, because most people are not going to do that. They're just going to purchase and be disappointed, and you end up with a negative review. Now that was all great, but you might be wondering, this listing already has a lot of negative ratings and reviews. Is there something that we can do to quickly bring the star rating up and increase conversions? And the answer is yes, you can use the VOC AI negative review removal tool. Which leads me to mistake number 6, not reporting negative reviews that violate Amazon's terms of service. In this review, the customer says, the candles have no smell, can find a better one on Walmart shelf. While the feedback about the candle having no smell is totally valid, but Amazon specifically prohibits customers to bring up competitors in their reviews. Same with this review right here. No scent, not worth the money. You can get a better candle at Dollar Tree. These reviews definitely go against Amazon's terms of service, and the seller is allowed to and encouraged to report them for removal. I'm pretty confident these reviews will get taken down once it's flagged. Mistake number 7, burn time of the candle. What are most people selling versus what is getting the most sales? This is the market insight report that you can download from VOC AI, and it will show you all of the attributes broken down into sales and revenue. And by attributes, I mean the characteristics of all the different products in this niche. So for example, candles, there can be many colors of different candles. So what colored candle are most people selling versus how many sales are all these different colors getting? One attribute that I want to focus on is the burn time of the candle. You can see that 55% of all sales contributing to all the fall scented candles have 110 hours of burn time, whereas this seller here is only selling candle with 50 hours of burn time. Having a longer burn time, which means how long can this candle burn for, is actually one of the customer unmet needs from our review analysis report previously. So we can clearly conclude from all of this data that most customers who are looking for a fall scented candle wants a candle with a really long burn time, ideally 110 hours. To fix this, I would work with the supplier to source a candle that has a longer burn time, clearly matching what customers are looking for. And mistake number 8, this is by far the most important mistake that this seller has made that you can learn from. Not selling the hottest variation, spiced pumpkin. This listing has all of these different variations of scents, but they're not selling the most popular scent for fall candles, which is spiced pumpkin. And how do I know spiced pumpkin is the hottest selling scent? I can see that through the market insights report right here. Most sellers are not relying on data to drive their selling decisions, a huge mistake. You can see clearly in this line graph right here and this pie chart that spiced pumpkin makes up the biggest portion of sales under fall scented candles. How to fix it? Start selling this candle in the scent pumpkin spice. These are all 8 mistakes that this seller was making. A lot of these mistakes I was able to identify through my personal selling experience, but most of them are based on actual data from reviews that were analyzed using VOC AI. Remember, the best thing that you can do as an Amazon seller is to base your selling decisions on actual data or actual customer feedback, which you already have access to. All of the reviews that were left on your competitors' listings that VOC AI can gather, analyze, and spit out a report so that you know exactly what your customers are looking for in the product, their unmet needs, and what variations sell the best, what attributes sell the best, so that you can make the best decisions when you're doing your product tuning, when you're doing your sourcing, and when you're doing your marketing or tweaking your Amazon listing. This is an opportunity for you to try VOC AI for free for 7 days. Just click the link in the description below. This is VOC AI, where we sell smarter, not harder.